Bought this from Amazon for $39. Every man, everything maker. I mean, Chefman, everything maker. Open it like that. Non-stick surface. I think both sides will heat. No temperature control. Just plug in and it gets to 425 degrees, 428 degrees for cooking pizza or anything, eggs, whatever. Nice. Nice. 等一下烤一个披萨来吃。Takes about 3 minutes， 温度到420多度。OK， 把它放上去。OK， 放上去20分钟。OK， 好了。OK， 好了，20分钟。Whoa, looks good. Come on. Whoa, looks perfect. Looks perfect. I am making elk burger. This is elk from Utah, wild elk. I'm gonna add some spices. Cool.
Over here is a beautiful lamb, rocket lamb. You can go on the seafood too, which is Hawaiian style seafood. I think it's just the
Elk burger.
The food that we
Delicious.
from the
This is elk burger. Delicious. Lots of onion, lots of sauce. Nice.
You don't actually have to get in the water, so
Delicious.
if you're comfortable swimming with the fish, you can still get up close with them.